Okay, so goals. Um, let's expand on this a little bit more and break it down into areas. For me, we use the structure here. The sheet that we've given you in Google Sheets explains this very nicely. But you've got business, family, mental health, completion date, description. What I like to do is look at monthly goals, weekly goals, and daily goals. So you'll notice there's not really much about quarterly and annual there. I'm very short term, very focused on what are we doing now, because what we do today, what we do this week, and what we do this month will affect us over the long term. So we know we get that right, everything else sort of takes shape. Yeah. So number one, what do we need from a learning point of view? What do we need from a cost point of view? What do we need from a team management point of view? And what do we need from an effort changed? So what do we have to change? How do we change it? So I would be writing down my monthly goals. For example, my family goals might be spend more time with my kids on an ongoing basis. Weekly goals is I want to read a story to my kids each night. I want to do whatever the things are. Daily goals are Monday I'm going to do this with the kids, Tuesday do this, Saturday morning, and just get a bit more structure there. And maybe date night with my wife or something like that. Business goals, same thing. So let's just drill into business goals. I used family goals there as an example just to show that it can be written out rather than metrics based. Here's our sheet. On the right hand side here, I'll just pop this down here. On the right hand side, what you've got here is you've got my targets. This is my exact figures. This is what my objectives are. Yeah. So over the next quarter, our goal is to put 10 people, 15 people per month onto a boot camp, which is $45,000 of revenue. So you can see it there. Weekly it goes to that, and daily it goes to that. So I need to be making that per day to drive through on that target and that set of goals. Yeah. Now I've got the number of sales here, the number of proposal meetings, number of collaboration meetings, number of fact finds, number of first meetings, attempts to book meetings, referrals, networking, LinkedIn, and so on and so forth. So you've got monthly, weekly, and daily there. And then I would pop in here learning, cost, team management, effort, and change needed. Okay, so that's my goals. I use this as an example here, so I have my own goal sheet, but that's how it looks within my goal sheet. So over here, what I want you to do is click the minus up here, and then come down, and then pop in your monthly goals here, and that will automatically pre-populate weekly and daily, and then you should have some structure there. If your sales flow is not this, just miss one of the steps out. So good luck, let's get it done. This is important, it's a simple thing. It's going to take you half an hour to do it, okay? Half an hour, it's well worth it.